this is Katanya from Glorified Bodies Fitness. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to roll out your hamstrings so you can have better flexibility and range of motion and to be able to touch your toes. This was special request today. So here it goes. You would need either 2 tennis balls or 2 pliable grippy balls. I use 2, it's less ouchy. You could use 1, but you'll really feel it with 1 getting in there deeper. But you can start out with 2 till you get used to it. And if this is still too firm for you, you can use a squishy ball instead. Okay, so a softer ball. So let's take the 2 balls and we're going to get it right under the hamstring. You start in a good spot there. You may find a tight spot. You see the 2 balls right there. And I'm not putting all my weight on there. I'm gently resting the leg down. And then I'm going to do a little, side to side motion, gentle. Ooh. So you want to breathe with it. Nice, slow, deep breaths. And the deeper you go, the slower you move. And really try to relax the leg as you move it side to side. Now a little bit goes a long way. You could either take a minute to do it, 2 minutes, or if you have the time, maybe up to 5 minutes to release any tightness of the fascia or the muscles. Then you can also move the ball to a different spot. Make sure you don't go underneath the knee, just on the hamstring muscles. Oh yeah, there's a spot. So let's just stay there for a moment. Ooh. Yum. Remember, the pressure's up to you. That is really good. And I don't have all my weight on it, not nearly. Wow. So you can see how you could really spend a lot of time on this, especially if your muscles are really tight. I want to keep going, but okay. That's good for now. So try it out. Spend a couple minutes on it. I hope this increases your range of motion, flexibility in your hamstrings. Be sure to hit the like button and leave your comments below and subscribe so you know when new videos come out. So thank you for watching. I appreciate the requests. So remember to be healthy, be fit, and be strong.